Who shoots? What's the tip, man? Which eye do I close?
Both of them.
Which one you?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Bully Kid checking in from Wisconsin today. We have a beautiful morning here in Wisconsin. We are on vacation for July 4th. And I want to just show you this, share this experience with you guys. Look at that sunrise. One of the best. Wow. Unbelievable. This is the villa we are staying at for the next couple of days. It is amazing. The interior is beautiful. I'll give you guys a tour later. But the landscaping here is phenomenal. We got a forest in the back, as you guys can see. Give you a quick rundown right now. We got the hot tub, which is going to be amazing. We're going to be playing some games later. Definitely chilling and grilling. You already know how it works. We got the Fire Magic Grill ready to go, and the outdoor fireplace, which I have never seen before. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look. Little chipmunks running around here all the time. I mean, I don't even know what else is over here. This is my first time going out from the friendly indoors to the unknown. Soccer balls, volleyballs. We got a shed in the back. I'm not sure what's in there. Maybe it's an exotic car that we can check out and review for you guys. But until then, look at this. Nothing but beautiful cut grass here. Beautiful sunrise. First thing in the morning, guys. I think I'm the only one up right now vlogging for you guys so you share this experience. We got some cornfields or something going on here. The mosquitoes are crazy over here. I got bit like massive the other day, but they're not too bad this morning, so came up, as you guys can see, fully geared, as you guys can see right there. And if that wasn't all of the complimentary services and things we have to do over here, check this out, guys. One of my dreams, one of my most relaxing things in life is a hammock, and we got not one but two of these bad boys here. Granted, it could be on a tree, but it does fulfill its deeds right there. And this is actually a man-made pool with a man-made beach they made here with some rowboats, so we're gonna be going in those a little bit later on. And they got fishes in there. Whew. And they got mosquitoes out here too, so check it out. Man, they did such a good job. Like, look at this. Like, this don't feel like no Wisconsin here, I tell you. There's the fish. I don't know if you guys can see them. Oh, they even got life jackets over here for us, which is great because I don't know how to swim, so I'll definitely need those life jackets. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome. Crazy villa, beautiful place, beautiful time. In the next coming days, we are going to be filming an edit for my brother's GSF out here in Wisconsin, where the scenery is beautiful. Roads are wide open, so hopefully we can get some sick shots.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time. For those 10 seconds or less, I'm free.
Too bright?
What the fuck is this?
Too bright?
Fucking UFO alien. Yo!
What's up, bro?
So, you want me to do it now?
Yeah, go, you're fine.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Popo, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way.
Wait, there's more.
Whoa! Oh, shit.
Did you miss it, Greg?
Nope, that was $150 right there.
As you guys are aware, road trips are terrible. You usually get a ton of bugs on your vehicle. For example, take a look at that mother cracker. All over the grill, all over the car. So if you guys want to find out how you can come do a road trip and keep your car looking fresh like this, waxy clean, go check out Bullet's Garage. He has all the in-depth how-tos, how to keep your car clean and maintained. It is pretty toasty out here this morning. We got about 90 degrees now.
Are you crazy? Wow. Maybe I was at the game, I was just shooting air. Dude, you're gonna need to take a shower.
Bro, it's so hot, you're gonna die in
How's the
4
mosquitoes?
minutes.
Huh?
There's no mosquitoes. And they're
they're-
not, I sprayed, so I'm good now.
Can you shoot out here a real gun?
I doubt it.
Probably, it's unincorporated. Hey yo!
Bastard.
It is super hot. Mosquitoes are pretty gone. Beautiful day. We're gonna go shoot some guns, and then we're gonna go in the little pond. See how it goes. All right, guys. Hey, Pineapple, where you at? Pineapple, am I going the wrong way? We're going to the little pond, have some fun. We got a big popsicle stick because it's really hot outside. And look at this. Look at this pineapple.
Beautiful. Here.
All right, this is the one I ordered.
This is the one. Oh, VIP yacht. 4 horsepower.
So, is this a stick shift or what?
No, this is a single speed.
Okay.
Single speed, 4 horsepower. Independent carburetors.
I want to boost it. Let's boost it up.
All right, here we go. Spooling it up.
Oh man, you feel
We
that?
are moving at the top speed right now.
Feel that torque though.
birthday, happy 4th, happy everything.